Python data types. In this section, we will learn the Python data types with examples. Python has several built-in data types to classify the kind of values variables hold, ranging from simple numbers to complex collections. Python is a dynamically typed language. You do not need to explicitly declare the variable type. The interpreter enforces it at runtime. Here are main Python data types with examples. Numeric, which stores numeric values, and under numeric we have int, float, and complex. String is an immutable sequence of characters used to represent text, and here the data type is str. Sequence is an ordered collection of items. In sequence we have list and tuple. Mapping, an unordered collection of data in the key value pairs. Here we have dictionary and set. Boolean is true or false value, and here we have data type bool. None represents the absence of a value, none type. So let's try the examples. First is int I equal to 10, print type of I, and if we run this, it is saying data type is int, print I, it is 10. Now we will see the float. Float is a real numbers with decimal points, floating point numbers. Pi is 3.14, 3.14, 159. Print type of pi, and it is float. And this is going to print the value. Now we will see the complex. Complex number is equal to 1 plus 2j. Is complex. Let's try to print the value. Now we will see the string. String is an immutable sequence of characters used to represent the text. To define the string, you can use the double quote. You can use the double quote for values or single quote value for value. So double quote and single quote both are supported here. Control enter. So it is executed, and we can see the type. Is str. Similarly, you can print country. Now we will see the sequences. Sequence is a mutable changeable collection that can store items of different types. Uses square brackets for the sequence. So it is a collection of values. So it is a list type. So this variable is list type. Another variable is tuple. Tuple is an immutable, unchangeable collection, and parenthesis is used for defining the tuple. So this way tuple is defined. So this is a tuple type. You can also try with me and open the Python terminal or Jupyter notebook and try along with me. Now we will see the mapping, and under mapping, first is dictionary, and dictionary stores data in key value pairs. Keys must be unique. Used curly braces. So capital city. Now Nepal capital city is Kathmandu. Next, value by separated by comma. So this is dictionary type, and print here. Dictionary is one of the most frequently used data types in Python, and you can also print the dictionary value here. Now we will see the set. Set is mutable, changeable, and duplicates are not allowed. Uses curly braces. So this way you can define a set. Print type of. So this is set. Now we will see the boolean. It can be either true or false. For example is let's see the data type. Bool, and there is a none type. So this is no value defined here, and print type of this. It is none type. So it's a unique type for the single value none. You can use the built-in type function to check the data type of any variable in Python. So in this tutorial, we have learned the data types in Python. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.